Okay, well, we've got the bearing shell loose. Not supposed to do that. That surface there isn't too bad actually. So that's a tiny lubrication hole for that top area. And I imagine there's a very small one on the other side. So either something's plugged it up, or refrigerant has diluted the oil to the point where there just hasn't been enough oil on that main bearing. And that bearing must come under a lot of load. The scroll putting a lot of thrust load on it as it compresses. Maybe a failed crankcase heater. Not too badly worn. Could be better though. Sleeves. A lot of marks there. Like milling tool marks, end mill marks. Probably for oil retention, sort of like honing on a cylinder wall. The scroll itself looks alright. I'd say it was just that main bearing that shat, and it dropped the scroll down low enough that it didn't get any compression. Cycloid converter's okay. And that's got that nice honing mark on it. The bushing's okay. Shim in it. And that bearing's not worn. That's fine. It's just that one top bearing that's failed. Plastic thingy. A metal residue. I'd say it's just that one main bearing that's failed it. Everything else seems to be okay. Bit worn. Nothing busted and broken, apart from the main bearing. Even that's alright. Oh, that's the end of that compressor. Thanks for watching.